Hi guys, Mama Teresa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Basa pa yung buhok ko guys, no? So, today's video guys is a very different video because I'm going to share a very personal details about my life, which is the love story of me and my husband. Aww. Yes. So, I'm right now in Ozamis City, and Ozamis is a very special place in our lives because it is where we started our love story. Wow. Yeah, our love story started here in Ozamis City. So I hope you stay in the video guys, even if it's very personal. But I'm going to share this for a very special reason also. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. And stay tuned! Yeah, okay, so I'd like to introduce to you for the first for the very first time, I'm going to formally introduce my husband. This is Richie Rich, my husband. No? He have already appeared in my videos, but I have not formally introduced to you who is this person. Yeah, so this is my husband, and today we are going to share our love story. Wow!
I love this woman and I'm going to keep this forever.
Well.
So ayan guys, as I have said, andito kami ngayon sa Ozamis City and our love story started here. Well, actually, we were classmates in 4th year high school. And at that time, nung 3rd year high school pa lang pala kami, crush na ako ng husband ko. Although at that time, I did not notice him yet. And when we were classmates in 4th year, sabi niya he was so happy. Pero still, hindi ko pa rin alam that time na crush na ako. So in short, nung high school kami, there was no spark at all. Then come college time. One day, I received a letter from Ozamis City, and this was in year 1995. And hindi niya nilagyan ng sender, only a friend from Ozamis City. And I wondered, do I have a friend in Ozamis? Kasi wala naman akong friend sa Ozamis. And when I opened it, Viola, I was surprised that he wrote me a letter. And nag-reply naman ako because I really love writing. But when I replied a letter, hindi na siya nag-reply again. And then one day, nakita ko siya na nandito na naman pala siya sa Cagayan de Oro. And nawala na naman yung communication namin after that. Pero 2 years later, we met again sa Sangguniang Kabataan. And to make the long story short, we were officially boyfriend-girlfriend noong 1997. So right now guys, binisita namin yung apartment na tinitirahan nila ng kanyang brother dito sa Ozamis City, kung saan niya sinulat yung letter at nagbisikleta siya papunta sa post office para ma-mail yung letter.
Mag-bike ko dito, mag-bike. Dili pa may mawagi ka ng visit dahil sa Jollibee ka ng airport, lagi ka sa Pantalan. Dito ko kumawagi na, pingon doon yung backlight mo dito. Sa Sikad.
Dito ang post office.
Dito sa una, post office na kung kuhan, dito kiwit sa City Hall.
So dito ka nag-mail?
Oo, dito ka nag-mail. Mag-bike dito, suko dito, dito sa nang-mail. Bike, hindi ko magagagi kayo. Wala ko may dalan dito. Hindi ko kayang dalan dito. Pag wala kong mail dito, wala ko siya kung sa Atbang.
Ang Atbang?
Dahil sa Goodyear sa una. May Goodyear sa una. Na may silingan ng mga pag-ara. Nagpuyo. Dito doon ko isang bahay sila yun. Dodo ko sa mga anak. Kaya wala pa rin. Mga pure gold. Wala pa na. Gaisano ko lang i-JJ mo lang. Bilingan ako. Kaya na Gaisano, dili ba na to story. Sarap na Gaisano. Kamaya. JJ mo tayo. Wala lang. Dag ko sa mga biling. Kaya wala pa rin. Tangkungan para kasalaran. Tangkungan. Sagputan. Sagputan yung gusto mo. Sagputan. Mingong yung sa amin sa ano, pag alas 6 ano, sus dako na alas 7 kita kung taos dalan. Wala ito dalan.
Anong kung of all people ako man imong gisulatan?
Siyempre, kami nga, no, nanapon ako nga, birthday name. Nanapon nga, mo, magiging akong gapot na lang.
Weh!
Mo, magiging akong gapot pa nila.
Atiker.
Isa nang pakusog tali, o wala pa po.
May breakout man.
Wala ganyan, pero ako na lang ipakita sa imo kung guma sa una. Hindi pa niyo makakapansin. Wala po man na yung gusto. Muna nga pagka-SK na to, wala, ito po nag-posing mayo. Hindi na ngay palapit, ibali masulo na nga ako, sulo. Atang ko dito sa Cebu sa una, atangan pa na ko dito sa Liceo sa una. So nagkita mo dito sa Liceo.
Kita man sa Liceo.
Ako sa Liceo?
Umang ko nagunag ako yung giatangan na ato.
Ito, Jojo.
Iramis? Oh, right. Hi guys, so finally we are back to the so finally we are here now at Mukas. So thank you, shout out to my brother-in-law in Osamis, Manong Dondon. Thank you for helping us in the in Mukas, in Osamis terminal, that we were able to anong tawag dyan? We're able to embark on the barge on a priority lane. Priority lane kami kanina sa pier ng Osamis because kinontak ni Manong Dondon yung friend niya doon sa, kasi if you are, kung naglinya kami sa not in the priority lane, baka just like here, lang. It's like here, no? Taas ng linya. And baka would take us 2 hours pa to stand by there sa pier. Thank you. And travel time ng Roro to and from Mukas, Osamis is 15 minutes. Yun. And so ilagay ko lang dito sa baba yung yung bayad ng barge ng aming sasakyan, no? From Mukas to Osamis and Osamis to Mukas. We did not pay the same amount. I don't know why, but there's a difference from Mukas to Osamis and Osamis to